Second area which seems to be very important and well executed here is the integration of science and innovation. When I look back 25 years when I first came to China, it was all about low costs, cost advantages, price advantages, manufacturing, and today the topics are very different. Innovation, artificial intelligence, integration of hardware and software. So there you see this enormous, impressive transition from an economy based on low costs, low prices, low quality, to high-tech integration of the newest scientific results. And that is an immense transformation which China has experienced in the last 10, 20 years. China is an extremely important market for Germany as our economy is very internationally oriented. As a sale market, it's the second largest market in the world, which you cannot miss. But today, more and more important is China as a market of knowledge, also of testing new concepts. The Chinese consumer is considered the most innovative consumer in the world. Chinese consumers are more readily willing to accept, to test innovations. So China may be the first market where you introduce an innovation to see whether it is accepted by the consumer.